Hey, hello everyone, welcome back to AKT Developers. So, in this tutorial, we will learn how to create on-click animation on any of the button. So, as you can see, when I click on the button, at that time, it shows this type of animation. So, we will create this type of animation in today's tutorial. So, head back to Android Studio. Let's create a simple empty project of Kotlin. Here I had created a project with the name as awesome button. This is my main Kotlin file and this is my main XML file. This is my preview window. Now go to style.xml and let's remove this action bar. Type here no action bar, and as you can see our action bar is removed from here at the top. It is not mandatory, but I usually prefer to remove that. Now in order to create that type of animation for our button, we need to add some dependencies. So go to Google and go to this GitHub repository. Here this is our submit button dependencies. By using this dependency, we can create this type of animation. This is notice that what are the limitations of this library and what it really is. This submit button library is a subclass of text view, and almost all the attributes of text view can be used with this button. You can read this from here, and let's add these dependencies to our project. Copy this repository and go to build.gradle file, this one, and paste it here. I had already pasted it here. Now go to build.gradle, that is app file, and add this dependency to our project. I had already added it here, as you can see. Now after adding that, sync now project. After syncing now, the project will be ready to create animation button. Now here are some license agreement it has been given. If you want, you can read this, otherwise you can directly use this animation. Copy this XML code and paste it into our XML file. As you can see, the button has been created. Here are some errors for this button. I had developed an UI, so I'll copy this UI and will paste it here instead of that. So I had created here 3 buttons with the same using this code, submit button code from this library. And from here you can change the colors. For example, from here you can change the text color. From here you can change the background color. Here I had used white background color, and here I had used different blue background color. And after that, from here you can change the line color, which is this one. And from here you can change the ripple color at the time of animation, which will happen, and tick color. At the end of animation it will show your tick instead of submit text, so you can change the color of that tick. So it is very simple and user-friendly library. Now let's run the program and see what output it gives. You don't need any Kotlin or Java code here to do this type of animation. You can directly do with this library with a few lines of XML code. As you can see, our action bar has been removed and 3 buttons has been here created. When I click on the button, it shows us the animation. Usually this type of animation can be used for the submission of the data, or for login or sign up app or that type of page, or to store the data into database. This type of animation can be used for button, and I think it looks pretty cool to use in our app. So in this way you can create awesome button animation in your app. Hope you all like this tutorial. Thanks for watching.